In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from PayPal to PayPal without linking a bank account. We'll keep this simple and make sure you understand exactly what to look for on each screen. First, open your browser or the PayPal app and sign into your account. You don't need a bank account linked for this, but you do need an available PayPal balance or another approved funding source already on your account. If your balance is zero, PayPal may prompt you to add a way to pay before you can continue. Once you're on your account overview, look for the Send and Request option at the top or bottom of the screen, depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile. Click or tap that to open the sending window. This is your hub for sending money to other PayPal users. Next, enter the recipient's email address exactly as they use it on PayPal. Take a moment to double-check spelling and punctuation. A tiny typo can send money to the wrong account, and while some payments can be cancelled, many process instantly. If the person uses a mobile number with their PayPal, you can use that instead, but an email tied to their account is the most common and reliable. After entering the address, select Next to move to the amount screen. Here, type the amount you want to send. You can usually switch the currency if needed, and you'll see any conversion or transaction fees before you confirm. Look for the option that indicates whether you're paying for goods and services or sending to friends and family. Paying for goods and services may include buyer protection and sometimes fees. Friends and family is typically for personal transfers. Choose the one that fits the reason you're sending. You can also add a short note so the recipient knows what the payment is for. This is helpful for keeping records and avoiding confusion later. When everything looks correct, select Send. PayPal will show you a final review with the recipient, the amount, the funding source, any fees, and the total. Confirm to complete the transfer. You should see a confirmation on screen and get an email receipt. The recipient will usually receive the money instantly or within a few minutes. In some cases, PayPal may place a temporary hold or review, especially for new accounts, unusual amounts, or cross-border payments. If you're asked to link a bank and can't proceed, that usually means your current funding source isn't eligible for this transaction or your balance isn't enough. Make sure you have sufficient PayPal balance and try again. That's it. Fast, direct, and no bank account required. Thanks for watching and happy sending.